Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I am not going to do a whole lot of chit chat here in the beginning. I just want to jump right into it because I am so freaking excited. I have in front of me the deluxe mystery box. This is the Valentine's Day mystery box to be exact. These launched a little over a week ago. They're all sold out now, so I don't believe that you can get this any longer. There was a choice of two different boxes. You could do just the premium or just like the standard box, which was I think $40. And then there was the upgrade to the deluxe box, which is $75. Which is what I have in front of me. I really like the box. This is really cute. So this is exactly how it came delivered. This is completely sealed still, so I have not opened it. I have no idea what's inside. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's tear into this box and let's see what's inside. All right, so I don't have anything on my lips. I don't really have any highlighter on or anything because I do know that there is supposed to be a mix of liquid lipsticks, lip ammunitions, lip liners possibly, highlighters, and then there's also an accessory and a merchandise item in this box that is exclusive to this mystery box. So I think I'm really excited to kind of see what the merchandise item is. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. It's just wrapped up with pink tissue paper. What else would we expect from Jeffree? Obviously he loves pink, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out of the box. So first off, let's just go ahead and jump in with what the merchandise item is. So already I can see that it is a t-shirt. He did allow you to pick your size on the website. This is hilarious because I am wearing my Can't Relate shirt right now, and there's also a Can't Relate special edition or limited edition, you could say, included in this box. I am already obsessed with the color of this t-shirt. This is absolutely adorable. I love the colors. I picked mine up in medium because I think that's what I ordered this shirt in. They're actually really high quality. If you haven't had any of Jeffree's merch before, it's so soft. The t-shirts are like the softest cotton. I wear mine all the time. It's tagless, so there's no tag poking you in the back, just in case any of you care. I believe that these t-shirts retail for around $25. I am gonna go ahead and put the value of each item somewhere on the screen here so that you can see. And then obviously at the end of the video, we'll talk about the total value of the box. Super happy. I think that this is awesome and really cute and innovative that he decided to include a limited edition and an exclusive merchandise item in the box. Awesome, love that. The other item that came in here is a pop socket. So there is that. Not sure how much this retails for, and I don't even have my phone in front of me, but I already have a pop socket on my phone, so maybe I will give this to a friend or family member who doesn't already have a pop socket, or maybe I'll hold on to it. We'll see. Not important. All right, let's dive into the makeup in here. So the first thing I see is a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Posh Spice, as you can see right there. Now, I happen to be a massive fan of Jeffree's Velour Liquid Lips. They are by far one of my favorite matte lipstick formulas because they are not drying. So this is kind of like a nude grayish, like a beige nude tone. I love the name Posh Spice. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This actually looks like it would be a really pretty shade. Oh yeah, I would totally rock that shade. Just to kind of give you guys a close up. So this is from Jeffree's permanent line. You can buy this on his website now, so this is not limited edition or anything like that. All right, and it looks like I also have, what is this here? One of the lip liners. So this is super exciting because I have never tried any of his lip liners, and I have always wanted to. I'm kind of a lip liner junkie. I actually prefer liners. I'll actually overline my lips, fill them in, and then pop some gloss right on top. It's like one of my favorite looks right now. Okay, so I'm a little bit salty because it looks like the tip actually broke off inside of the cap. Shoot, and do I even have a sharpener in front of me right now? All right, I kind of just press the tip back on here. So this is awesome. This is also in the shade, like I said, Posh Spice, if I didn't mention that already, which is really cool. I think it's awesome that this actually coincides with the liquid lipstick shade that I got. I don't know if everyone had coinciding lip liners with a lipstick in their box. So if you got this, let me know in the comments down below and let me know if yours kind of match up together. So that's super awesome. I purposely didn't put on really any highlighter lipstick because I knew that there'd be lipsticks and highlighters in this box, and I want to kind of try them out on camera. I just don't know what color I want to use yet. So let's go ahead and move on. There is another liquid lipstick in here. This is in the shade Diamond. Wonder what this one is. Now, I don't know what collection this is from, to be honest with you, because it looks like it's in a different colored pink box. Oh, okay, I think this might have came from a summer collection possibly. This is a super bright lavender. Not typically a color I would wear, but the cool thing about Jeffree's lipsticks is that they can actually be used on the eyes, which is really awesome. So let's go ahead and do a swatch. That would make a killer liner, and that is super opaque. I actually really like the shade. If I was feeling really daring, it's kind of cool. Like I said, it makes for some killer like graphic liner. All right, moving on. Let's see here. This is one of the lip ammunition. So this is another formula that I haven't had a chance to try. So that's super exciting. This is in the shade Jeffree's Girl. Here's what the packaging looks like, in case you're curious. This packaging is so cute. It literally looks like a bullet. So it's like a literal play on words, because like a lipstick bullet, get it? Get it? Lip ammunition. Okay, so this is a pretty bright pink, but it's actually not bad. It's not too crazy. It's just like a really nice pink color. So I could definitely see myself wearing this. Let's go ahead and swatch it as well. Okay, so that's super smooth. Oh yeah, that's actually really cute. I could definitely see myself wearing that shade. I like more fun lip colors actually. I have so many nudes that it's nice to have stuff that's a little bit more different and diverse in my collection for when I'm feeling, you know, a little bit more daring. I want to do something a little bit more avant-garde, or again, I'm going to like an event or something that would allow for a look like that. So, I mean, most people might look at these and think, well, it's disappointing. They're not very wearable colors. But for me, like I said, I can find a use out of all of these. It's just one of those things that comes with the territory with a mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get. That is the gamble. That's what's kind of fun about it. So some people will be like, oh, it's not worth it. You know, I paid all this money, but in reality, it's like if you wanted something specific anyways, just buy that product. So it is what it is. So we have another liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Dream House. Again, another one from the Permanent collection, it looks like. And I believe that this one might be a metallic. So let's see. Okay, yes. This is like a straight up Barbie metallic pink. Again, my imagination is going here. I could see myself definitely using this on the eyes or as a liner. Let's go ahead and swatch this one. I mean, it's really cute if you like something like this. If you're really into like metallic lipsticks, I actually think it's pretty cute. Doesn't really have a scent. What do we have left here? So it looks like two things are left in here and they're both highlighters. So let's talk about the Skin Frost. This is in the shade Lavender Snow. Not quite sure what to expect with this. I'm assuming it's some sort of icy lavender shade, obviously. So if you're not super familiar, again, with Jeffree Star's Skin Frost, they are massive. I absolutely love the packaging. I love the size. I love the compacts because you get these huge mirrors. And then this is what it looks like here. So let's go ahead and do a swatch. That is like super icy. Now, obviously I'm expecting this swatch to really be intense. It's actually really pretty. I think that that could be wearable. It just depends on, obviously I'm not gonna put a streak like this on my face. So you know what? Let's go ahead and test it out. I have a fan brush right in front of me. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit of it. Go ahead and hit the tops of the cheeks. Yeah. See, that's actually really pretty, and it actually is wearable if you use a light hand. You could also top another highlighter with this if you just want like that extra pop, that extra metallic. It doesn't look like it's sitting funky on my skin, and I do have more of like a light to medium skin tone. So yeah, that's actually not bad, and I think it's actually really cute, and that's really pretty. It would also be really pretty as like an inner corner highlight as well. I'm gonna go ahead and try that too. So I'm gonna pick up some of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some right here. Yes, that is so pretty. I really like that. Let's go on the brow bone. Yeah, if you like a really super icy highlight. Yes. I really like it. Sweet, I'm happy I got this. Interesting, unique, and something cool to add to my collection. Last but not least, we have a Supreme Frost. So it looks like here. So I actually got one of these in my Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bag, and I really liked the formula. I thought that his Skin Frosts were blinding. I didn't even know that he'd come up with an even more blinding formula, but he totally did. This is in the shade Frozen Peach. So it's almost like a champagne gold, and it has like a little rose gold reflex actually in it. Not so much glitter, but more of like a shimmer. So let's go ahead and swatch that here. So that's how it looks on the finger. Let's go ahead and do a swatch. So it doesn't really, yeah, actually, you know what? Now upon swatching it, it's pretty glittery. In fact, it doesn't really show up a lot on my skin. Let's go ahead and try this one out on the face as well. So I'll try it on this side. Yeah, this one's just kind of more like a subtle glow. The other one I got was in the shade Money Honey. And that one is like, bam, blinding. Let's go ahead and pop it on top of the lavender. So this is actually really pretty. It is a little bit more glittery than I expected, but I still think it's a really pretty shade. I do like something that pops a little bit more, but mixing this with the lavender one, it actually looks really, really pretty together. So would I say that I am satisfied with what I got in this box? Definitely. Again, it's a mystery box. Are you going to love everything in it? Maybe not, but I definitely could find use for everything that I got in this box. I personally love this kind of thing. I think it's super fun. You don't know what you're gonna get. You get the box, you open it up, and it keeps up that excitement. It's like an actual real true Christmas gift, or like a birthday gift, or just a random gift to yourself, because you literally don't know what you're about to get inside. Before I go, let's go ahead and try the lip liner and the liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Spice. I went ahead and tried my best to kind of reconstruct my lip liner here. It's a very creamy formula. Oh, you know what? Let's whip out the Jeffree Star Mirror. So that liner actually went on really nice, so I am impressed. It's super creamy, which is why it's possible that the tip kind of broke off of it, because it is a very soft, creamy formula. So I'm gonna go in with the liquid lipstick Posh Spice. See how opaque and easy his liquid lipsticks go on? Oh, I absolutely love them, and they do not dry out your lips. So that is a little bit more gray than what I would normally wear, but to be completely honest, I actually really like the shade. I think it's actually really cute. I would definitely wear this. Again, it's not something that I would ever find myself wearing typically, but now that I have it on and that I've tried it, I actually think it's really cute and I really, really enjoy it. So yes, again, this box is a win for me. I would definitely purchase another one. I would definitely try another one. And again, I just really love the merch. Love the t-shirt on the inside. I think that's awesome. The pop socket. Yeah, I think it was a pretty good box. I'm pretty happy with it. So again, just a recap of all the shades that I got right here. Let me know what you guys thought of this box in the comments down below. Did you pick one up? Were you satisfied? What did you get in your box? Or did you decide to pass it up because of what happened over Black Friday? I'm really curious to know. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, shared, and of course be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button before you go. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.